Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel MatheMagic by Varuna. Now in this video, we will understand the properties of division of integers. So how do we start? The first property is the closure property. Closure property basically means that when we divide two integers, if the answer is an integer, then the closure property holds for division of integers. If it is not, then the closure property does not hold. Let us see whether it holds or not. If we take an example, say A as 25 and B as 2, both of them are positive integers. But over here, what happens when we do A divided by B? The answer 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. It is in decimals and it is not an integer. We know integers are all counting numbers, all whole numbers with negative signs and positive sign. So this means this is not an integer, hence closure property does not hold for division of integers. Let us move on to the next property, which is that if we have an integer, any integer a, and then we divide the integer by itself, we always get the answer 1. But important thing is a cannot be 0. We have to understand a is a non-zero integer. Say 25. If we take a divided by a, which is 25 divided by 25, the answer is 1. If we take a as a minus 15, a negative integer, a divided by a is minus 15 divided by minus 15. We know two integers with like signs over here, the answer has to be positive. So the answer again is 1. Now 0 divided by 0 is not possible. That is why we take a as a non-zero integer. So this is the property of when an integer is divided by itself. Now the next property is that if integer a is divided by 1. If the integer a is divided by 1, then we get the same integer. If a is say minus 5, we divide a by 1, that is minus 5 by 1. These are two integers with unlike sign. The answer has to be negative and the answer is 5. It's minus 5 itself. If say a is 7 and we divide a by 1, 7 divided by 1, both are positive integers. Answer has to be positive and 7 divided by 1 is 7 only. So we get the same answer. So any integer divided by 1 gives the same answer. The last property over here is if a, this is the fourth property, if a is a non-zero integer, then 0 divided by a has to be 0. But a divided by 0 is not possible. It is not meaningful. Now let us understand this. If a is say minus 3, okay, we divide 0 by minus 3. We write it like 0 divided by minus 3. Now, if 0 is divided by any number, any integer, the answer has to be 0. But the other way around, that when you divide a by 0, a is minus 3, we divide by 0. Whenever minus 0 comes in the denominator or any number divided by 0, this is not possible. It is not meaningful. Okay, this is not possible. So 0 divided by any integer gives answer 0, but we cannot divide any integer by 0. Now, these were the 4 properties of division of integers. I hope the properties are clear through this video. Also, with this, we end the chapter integers. Let us meet again to understand more chapters, more concepts in mathematics in next few videos. Thank you.